Hey everyone, today in this video I want to walk you through the ECOVACS home app for the ECOVACS T30S and T30S combo robot vacuum cleaners. We're going to be looking at the mapping, settings, features, and functionality. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Here's an overview of the T30S from the ECOVACS home app, where we can enter in with that big blue button, robot controls, where we can view our current map and how everything's set up. In the top right-hand corner, we have two map icons. The first one's got this double squared layer to it. That's our map display settings. We can choose 2D or 3D. And then we have different options here. Door, floor, carpet, cleaning preference, furniture. That's for the 3D layout. And then we have our 2D options right here. Color, name, carpet, sequence, furniture. So all of that can be displayed and adjusted on our map. So here's a look at the 3D view of it. Pretty nifty, so you can play around with that, but we have different map display options that we can customize. The next icon is going to be that map management icon where we can manage our maps. So top right hand corner, we can map our home with that big blue button. We can view our saved maps. You can save up to 3 maps at any time. And then we can edit each map. So we have 3 dots in the top right hand corner. We can choose to backup, restore, name, or delete. And then we have our edit map options right here where we can set up virtual walls and barriers. Here's a virtual wall. So set up as a no entry area, set up as a no mopping area, and then confirm. We can add multiples of these. I'll add one of each. Color coded for you too, which is nice. So red or yellow. So that's our virtual walls right there. Next we have our virtual barriers, basically a drag and drop box. Same thing. Don't go there. And then don't mop there. So we can add those to our map, and then we can easily edit and delete as needed. In our current map, I do have one up where we have a lot of cables and obstacles where I just don't want it to even risk getting stuck. Then we have our room option here. So we can choose to rename our rooms and line it up with their voice assistant if you want. So I'm happy with those room names, but you get the idea. And then we can choose to divide a room. Maybe there's a room that's too large and you want to split it up. In this case, I want to divide this room like that. Boom. Now we have our rooms set up a little bit better, and you can really fine tune this. So I want to divide this room again. Right there. Good enough. Just like that. Now the room's divided. And then you guessed it, we can combine rooms. So I'm going to combine these rooms together. Hit combine. And there we go. Pretty cool. So we got that set up there. Okay, can we get these two together? Maybe I missed that earlier. All right, combined into one room. Voila. Now we just have a couple rooms and we can control everything that way. So very easy to edit as needed. And then back at map management, we have our home settings here where we have furniture selection options. So you can really build out your map. We have floor options. We can change the floor material. And then we have wall adjustment options here. So you should be able theoretically to do something like this. And I think, I don't know, my phone's being a little bit goofy, but you might be able to shrink or expand your walls a little. Anyway, something you can play around with if you're really interested in that right there. You can try to really fine tune your map settings, but you can definitely decorate it, right? Change the floor, all that good stuff. And then maybe you noticed from the screen or not, we currently have our map that's in use, but then we can easily choose use this map on any of our other maps, depending on where we have our RoboVac. And moving right along as we're talking about mapping, this definitely fits in, but we can choose from our map here different cleaning options. So we can choose different rooms to clean, or we can create different zones on our map to clean, and we can add up to 5 zones. So we have those options there. And then if we go to our settings, we can also see our map in our cleaning log. So let's go back a little bit. Let's find a nice populated one. Let's look at this one right here. There's our complete map with no-go zone, different rooms. Look at the pattern there, how it cleans. This is a kitchen table and chairs. That's why you're seeing all those circles there. But look at how it navigates too. Really nice job, detailed map, showing you exactly where it did or didn't clean around your house, and then it populates some data for you there down at the bottom. So that's a look at the ECOVACS home app with your ECOVACS T30S or T30S combo.